Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Marone here with topic 4 for your summer packet. This goes along with the distance formula section of the packet. The distance formula is something you should have seen at some point in middle school, so this should be a quick review, but we will be spending time with it throughout the school year this year. So the distance formula is used to find the distance between two given points on a coordinate plane. And we label them x1, y1 for the first point and x2, y2 for the second point. And those coincide with the notation for the distance formula. So the distance formula, we use the letter D to denote it, and it is a big radical with x2 minus x1, or the distance between the x values, squared, plus y2 minus y1, distance between the y values, squared. Now, if you'd like to use a different order, if you want to use x1 minus x2 and y1 minus y2, perfectly fine, as long as you use the same order in both the x values and the y values, so that those points stay together. Remember that x1, y1 is 1 point, so it can't be broken apart, and x2, y2 is 1 point, and it can't be broken apart either. So I've got one example for you, just so you see how it works, and to try to refresh the memory. So when we've got points A and B here, I always label x1, y1, x2, y2, so I know what I'm referencing. And then when I go to do my distance formula, draw my big radical, and it was x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is negative 4, and that is squared. And then I'm going to do the same thing. y2 is minus 1, and it is minus 1 for y1 squared. Now, 3 minus negative 4 is going to give me a 7 squared. And negative 1 minus 1 more is going to give me negative 2 squared. Remember, we're adding these. 7 squared is 49. 2 squared, negative 2 squared is 4. So I've got the square root of the quantity 49 plus 4. And I end up with the square root of 53, which is approximately 7.2. That is all you need to do with the distance formula. You may see a couple different examples where you'll have to find the points on a coordinate plane, but you guys have experience with that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or view other videos on the web, and stay tuned for the next video in the series.